sleep. Someone's just being an idiot. That's how we roll. But yeah, we're going to Kraków because I wanted to go to a concert. Plus, hopefully today we're gonna, like, when we get there, hopefully gonna get to show this factory. But we'll see about that. Hopefully you can hear me. Something really cool. But basically the last what you call it, last cart, wagon, I don't know, and there's literally like nothing behind, so in a second when we move I'm gonna film how it looks like. I waited for you, we're waiting, I waited for you, we're waiting, I waited for you, we're waiting, I waited for you, I waited for you, we're waiting, I waited for you, we're waiting, I waited for you, we're waiting, I waited for you. So we've arrived at our favourite restaurant and well, we're gonna order food, so you're gonna see what beautiful things they have, and they're so nice. Yeah, it came, look at how pretty it is. Oh, mushroom soup, yeah. It is so nice, so nice. Best thing in the world. We just left the restaurant. Food was amazing. As always, it always is. Right, it's a little bit later in the day and we're sort of going to the old town because we're really tired and we don't really want to do anything today. We're waiting.
I waited for you. I waited for you. We're waiting. I waited for you. We're waiting. I waited for you.
Hey guys, we're in the centre.